Hello students, welcome to your physical education class. So we have earlier discussed about yoga, meaning of yoga, ठीक है, introduction and meaning of yoga. So today we'll be discussing about asanas and as preventive measures. Means what are asanas, meaning of asanas, and how asanas are beneficial in your life. If you are performing yoga asana in your daily life, what is the main benefit of doing those asanas in your life and on your body? ठीक है जी. So they have given the heading like asanas as preventive measures. Means you can prevent yourself from many diseases, ठीक है, and ailments with the help of yoga. ठीक है जी. So I'll start with the introductory part. An asana is a posture in which a practitioner sits. In the Yoga Sutra, Patanjali defines asanas as to be seated in a position that is firm but relaxed. Patanjali mentioned and the ability to sit for extended period as one of the 8 limbs of system known as Ashtanga Yoga. ठीक है जी. So the meaning of this asanas they have defined कि any of the person who sits in one position for longer duration, as mentioned in your book. So at a firm position but relaxed from some extended time. Like what you might have observed that Rishi Munis they used to sit at one place for तप करते सी, तपस्या करते सी for years, months. ठीक है जी. So the basic thing was कि they always they adopted yoga in their life. ठीक है जी. So the thing is कि this is not only a body positions, and when you will be feeling happy, healthy, then you will be feeling happy also. When your body will be healthy, automatically you will be feeling happy. ठीक है जी. So many people in this country, not foreign countries, they have started adopting this. ठीक है. So asanas are also performed as physical exercise where there are sometimes referred to yoga posture or yoga positions. Some asanas are performed just for health purposes. Asanas do promote good health, although different ways compared with physical exercise, placing the physical body in position that so cultivate also awareness, relaxation and concentration. Like what there are many games. There are many games like cricket, boxing, athletics. You need to have relaxed bodies. Cricket, you need a high level of concentration, like shooting, archery. You need to have a very high level of concentration. So people are adopting this yoga asanas like Siddhasana, Padmasana, so that they can have high level of concentration. They keep on sitting at one place with eyes closed and with full concentration. Nothing comes in their mind. Otherwise, how will they able to? देखो, you might have observed in cricket grounds also कि कितना music बजता था, पॉ बैक पाइप्स ले होंगे, बड़े drums चल रहे होंगे. Still, the cricketers are able to concentrate on the ball because their mind is very much alert. They are taking help of yoga in the game like archery, in the game of like, and I'll talk about sports and shooting. You need high level of concentration for. You need a good strength, mind strength also. So yoga is very helpful in that. It also the asanas like Shavasana, it is helping people to relax their mind. Keep the body relaxed. Next is meaning of asana. To sit in a comfortable position for everlasting period of time is called asana. To sit at one place for long duration without any movement, that's known as asanas. So this is the definition and meaning of asanas. We have done with introductory part. Now we'll be discussing about asanas as preventive measures. कि this means how asanas are benefit in your life. If you are performing yoga in your daily routine life, what kind of benefit you are getting from that? ठीक है जी, we'll be discussing that thing. Next is asan can be preventive measures as they provided following physiological benefit. Physiological means functioning of body, कि ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੀ functioning ਨੂੰ improve ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ yoga, and benefits which ultimately help to avoiding various lifestyle diseases, because nowadays people are living in a very sedentary lifestyle, कि एक ਥਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਦੂਜੇ ਥਾਂ ਜਾਣਾ, they go on scooter, they go on cars, so they are having a different kind of lifestyle. The following are benefits of asana for prevention of diseases. This the line have come na. The following are the benefits of asanas for prevention of diseases. Suppose any question comes like what are asanas, define asanas, and what are the benefits of asanas on your body, on human being, then these are the benefits. We'll start with number 1, benefits for bones and joints. Means the person who is performing yoga in daily routine, his bones and joints will be more stronger than the normal person. Those who not any ka dooje strong nahi honge, but their bones and joints will be more stronger than a normal person from childhood only, if the person start performing yoga from childhood. ठीक है जी. Then blood circulation becomes normal. By performing asanas regularly, the stroke volume as well, the asanas like pranayam, ठीक है जी, it is very useful. Lom vilom, kapalbhati, their blood circulation becomes normal. The person who is suffering from many problems like blood pressure or anxiety, it goes with the help of these asanas. So you must perform these asanas in regular life. It stroke volume as well as cardiac output. Stroke volume means an amount of blood pumped by heart in single beat. Amount of blood pumped by heart in single stroke. That is called stroke volume. Then stroke volume increases, means more blood is pumped in single beat. Then as cardiac output increases, cardiac output means amount of blood pumped by heart in single minute. If your heart is working very efficiently, if you are performing yoga asanas, then your cardiac output will also be increased. Means more blood will be pumped by heart in 1 minute. And if your blood circulation is very good, then you can lead a long life. Rishi Muni, people, the Vedas लिखा कि Rishi Muni used to live 200 years, 300 years. 100-150 साल तो इतने हुन भी चल रहे. Many people living in Japan. There is one city or village in Japan where many people are above 100 because they are living a stressful life, very healthy life. ठीक है जी. So muscles start working more strong and efficiently, blood circulation becomes proper and blood pressure normalizes and stabilizes. When your heart will toned up and everything will be, then no blood pressure problem will be there, and your blood will flow properly in every part of your body. Next is immunity system becomes strong. By regular practice of asana, the immunity system is strengthened, as a result our body becomes less prone to diseases. This is the truth. I can define, I can tell you. Ki yoga makes your body immunity system so strong, because if you perform many exercises with maximum oxygen going inside, body will automatically immunity will be increased. You might have observed that Rishi Muni used to go to hilltops, किते जाके बैठ के सारा दिन तपस्या कर, बर्फ च तपस्या करी जाते, बर्फ दे विच, with minus temperature, with no clothes. They were not wearing clothes at that time. They used to sit at high altitude and worship God, tapasya karde, meditate for years, months. Even they can have control on their appetite. Bhukh te control hai. They were not needing any food. So next is benefits of respiratory system, benefit for respiratory system. I gave you example of pranayam. Pranayam is a very, very good asana. Lom, Vilom, Kapalbhati. If you perform that in daily routine, I'll give you 100% assurance that your respiratory system will become very strong. You'll not get undue fatigue within no time. But if you perform this pranayam in daily routine, I'll assure you that your respiratory system will be toned up, and if your respiratory system will be toned up, your heart will also be very, your circulatory system will also be very much toned. So for that you must perform yoga asanas. ठीक है जी? देखो, by regular performing asanas, respiratory organ becomes efficient. The vital air capacity of increases up to 6,000 cc. The size of lungs and chest also enhances. With performing of these asanas, your lungs can breathe more, maximum air can be taken inside. ठीक है जी? You must perform these asanas regularly. Next is efficiency of excretory system. Excretory system means your digestive system, your the body with is producing uric acid, many types of gases that acids body is producing. You'll get rid of that acid very easily. Body अपने आप उन्हें wash out कर लग जाती through urine or sweating. ठीक है जी? So excretory system becomes very strong with many asanas. You'll go through these asanas in this upcoming topics. Which asanas are helpful in this digestive system? Which asanas are like what? I'll give you example of Vajrasana and all that. They are very helpful after eating food or dinner, lunch. You can sit in Vajrasana position. It is adhiko. In next only this photo you can see. You can sit on the bed only in this position, and your food will be digested within few minutes. ठीक है? Next is benefits of muscles. Your muscles doesn't mean that in muscles you'll be having muscles like bodybuilders. No. People who are performing yoga, their body is lean and thin, but their muscles become stronger. Okay? So by performing asana regularly, muscles of the body become strong. The efficiency of the muscle increases. Fat does not accumulate in body. In fact, the appearance of the body enhances. Means the people, those who are performing yoga in their daily routine life, their body become very fit. You might have seen on TV, like what you take example of Shilpa Shetty also. She is also practicing yoga for more than 10-20 years. She herself tells in every interview of hers that due to yoga she remains fit for this life also. Akshay Kumar, he said he performs yoga. His age is more than 50, so he keeps himself fit. So with the help of you, so your gurus are there, they are helping you. So there are many people now these days. You can take at the help of internet also. Okay? So today we have discussed about asanas meaning and what are the benefit of asanas, doing asana on your body. So next topic we'll be discussing in your next class. Chalo, ठीक है. Thank you very much.